Hello YouTube. Causes of flatulence in a healthy person. Flatulence is often a problem that causes great discomfort that reduces the quality of life. Therefore, it is important to first understand the cause and take the necessary measures. There is gas in the intestines regularly. About 1 liter is formed per day. This is the norm, and a person does not experience any unpleasant sensations. But if its amount increases, it causes not only discomfort and inconvenience, but can be a symptom of diseases of the digestive system. If suddenly bloating becomes a frequent companion of life and painful sensations join, this is an occasion to consult a gastroenterologist. Increased gas formation is possible in healthy people. It is often called poor chewing of food, eating large amounts of food, usual overeating, washing down food with plenty of water, especially cold. There are also products, the use of which provokes fermentation and increased gas formation, especially when they are eaten in large quantities. Starchy foods, cereals, bread, pasta, corn, rice, legumes. High-fiber foods, raw vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts. Protein products, fatty meats, fish, poultry. Dairy products, milk, kefir, cheese in case of lactose intolerance. Sugar-containing products, sugary carbonated drinks, sweets. Mushrooms, due to the presence of chitin, a hard-to-digest polysaccharide. The list also includes fermentation products, yeast pastries, kvass, beer. In addition, bloating is more common in people with low physical activity, who also eat irregularly. As you can see, almost any food can cause increased gas formation. Therefore, in order to avoid unpleasant consequences, it is important to understand which products, in what quantities and in what combinations personally cause increased gas formation in you. If in one person, for example, cabbage does not lead to increased formation of gases, then in another, any kind of cabbage, raw or cooked, can cause severe flatulence. Watch your body's reactions to food. If necessary, keep a food diary to sort out this issue. This way you can avoid those foods or food combinations that cause such an unpleasant phenomenon, or prepare such foods in a way that is acceptable to you. Flatulence is often a problem that causes great discomfort that reduces the quality of life. Therefore, it is important first of all to understand the cause and take the necessary measures. And, if necessary, to carry out appropriate treatment. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.